Dear students, today's topic is fundamental principles of atomic structure. Some more atomic models were put forth after Bohr's atomic model. Atomic structure was studied at depth with the advent of a new branch of a science called quantum mechanics. With all those, some well accepted fundamental principles of atomic structure are as follows. Atomic structure. An atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part. These contain three types of subatomic particles, and they are nucleus, proton, and neutron. Let's study one by one. Nucleus. The atomic nucleus is positively charged. Almost entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles, together called nucleons. Proton and neutrons are the two types of nucleons. Proton is a positively charged subatomic particle in the atomic nucleus. The positive charge on the nucleus is due to the proton in it. A proton is represented by symbol smaller p. Each proton positive charge of one electron, whereas one electron is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. When total positive charge on the nucleus is expressed in the unit electron, its magnitude is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of that element and is denoted by the capital Z. Mass of the one proton is approximately 1 mu or 1 Dalton. 1 mu is equal to 1.66 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 27 grams. The mass of one hydrogen atom is also approximately 1 mu. Neutron. Neutron is an electrically neutral subatomic particle and is denoted by the symbol N. The number of neutrons in the nucleus is denoted by the symbol capital N. Atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen with atomic mass 1 mu contain neutrons. The mass of a neutron is approximately 1 mu, which is almost equal to that of a proton. Extranuclear part. The extranuclear part in the atomic structure includes electrons revolving around the nucleus and the empty space in between the nucleus and the electron. Electron. Electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle and is denoted by the symbol E. Each electron carries 1 unit of a negative charge. Mass of an electron is 1800 times less than that of a hydrogen atom. Therefore, the mass of an electron can be treated as negligible. Electron in the extranuclear part revolve in the discrete orbit around the nucleus, the orbits being three-dimensional in nature. A term shell is used instead of the term orbit. The energy of an electron is determined by the shell in which it is present. The number of electrons in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. Therefore, electrical charges are balanced and the atom is electrically neutral. Let's see few questions. How many types of subatomic particles are found in atom? Protons, neutrons, and electrons are the three main subatomic particles found in an atom. Protons have a positive charge. An easy way to remember this is to remember that both proton and positive start with the letter P. Neutrons have no electrical charge. Question second. Which subatomic particles are electrically charged? Answer is protons and electrons are electrically charged subatomic particles. Atom is the smallest but divisible particles of substance. Each atom in turn consists three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged particles residing in the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged particles revolving in orbit around the nucleus. Neutrons are uncharged particles in the nucleus of an atom. Question third. Which subatomic particles are present in the nucleus? Answer is particles that are smaller than the atom are called subatomic particles. The center of the atom is called the nucleus. The three main subatomic particles that form an atom are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no electrical charge. An electron is a negatively charged particle found in an atom in the nucleus. Question 4. Where are electrons revolving around the nucleus placed? Answer is atom center or nucleus is positively charged and the electrons that whirl around this nucleus are negatively charged, so they attract each other. The mass of an electron being negligible, therefore the mass of an atom is mainly due to the protons and neutrons in its nucleus. The total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is the atomic mass number of that element. The mass number is denoted by the symbol capital A. The convention to denote the atomic symbol, atomic number, and mass number are together is shown as follows. For example, the conventional symbol means that the atomic number, that is, the proton number of carbon, is 6 and the mass number of carbon is 12. From this, it is also learned that the nucleus of a carbon contains 6 neutrons. The symbol used for oxygen is capital O. There are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in its nucleus. From this, determine the atomic number and mass number of oxygen and arrange these in a conventional symbol. Atomic number of an element is the number of protons or electrons in the atom. It is denoted by letter capital Z. Total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus is called atomic mass number. It is represented by letter capital A. Atomic number is number of protons, that is 8. Atomic mass number is number of protons and neutrons. Hence, A is equal to P plus N. A is equal to 16. Means atomic mass number is equal to 16. Atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are there in a carbon atom? Atomic number is the number of protons as well as the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Even the carbon atom has 6 electrons. Atomic number of a carbon is 6 for carbon and the atomic mass number is 12. It means 6 protons plus 6 neutrons. Adding the 2 neutrons, changing our atom. A sodium atom contains 11 electrons. What is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number of sodium is 11. The mass number is the sum of the neutrons and protons in an atom. Even 11 protons plus 12 neutrons is equal to 23. The atomic number is simply the proton number, as well as the atomic number is always seen at the bottom left corner in an element of a periodic table. Question: the atomic number and mass number of a magnesium are 12 and 24 respectively. How will you show this by the convention symbol? Solution: to represent this symbolically, put atomic number as subscript and mass number is at superscript. The atomic number and mass number of calcium are 20 and 40 respectively. Deduce the number of neutrons present in the calcium nucleus. Number of neutrons is 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Electrons 20 and protons 20. The mass number of an isotope is the sum of the number of protons as well as neutrons in the atomic nucleus. Overall, the atomic number is the number of protons. Even the calcium 40 isotope has a mass number of 40 as well as an atomic number of 20. Therefore, it has a 20 protons.